In a city where skyscrapers touch the clouds, AI and humans stand side by side, symbolizing a new era. This is not just a vision, it's the dawn of a harmonious future. Step into a world where AI automation revolutionizes industries. Robotic arms tirelessly assemble products while AI screens manage data with precision, transforming traditional roles with unmatched efficiency. From factories to retail, AI's presence is undeniable. It enhances productivity, ensuring tasks are completed faster and with greater accuracy, reshaping the landscape of modern work. In a world dominated by technology, human creativity and empathy shine. Teachers inspire, doctors heal, and artists create, showcasing the unique roles only humans can fulfill. The essence of human intuition and creativity is irreplaceable. These qualities drive innovation and connection, proving that some roles will always need a human touch. Imagine a moment where AI and humans collaborate seamlessly. A handshake, a shared digital project, symbolizing a future where both entities work in harmony. As we look to 2030, the message is clear. The future of work is not AI versus humans, but AI plus humans. Together, we can achieve unprecedented heights. Join us in embracing this future. By fostering collaboration, we pave the way for innovation and growth. Let's shape a world where AI and humans thrive together.